Your knees hate your desk job. You sit for 8 hours, stand up like a baby deer, then blame your knees. Be for real. Seated heel slides. Let's reintroduce your knees to the concept of movement. Because apparently, sitting still is your only sport. Standing calf stretch. Your calves are tighter than your lunch break. And yes, they are a part of the problem. Couch stretch. Don't worry, this one is safe to do during your Zoom call. Just mute yourself before you scream. Glute bridge. Your glutes clocked out months ago. Meanwhile, your knees picked up all their shifts. It's not just knee pain, it's a full-blown office rebellion, and your chair is the ringleader.